My tires are in perfect timing. Oh yeah. Hey, how you doing, man? I hope you don't mind, man. I'm doing a video on my truck with new tires and stuff. If you don't mind being in.
No, go ahead.
Thank you. Well, here's the UPS driver bringing my tires in. Oh yeah. That's it. The Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Nice. That truck's gonna look nice.
Oh yeah, it is.
Thank you.
I'm glad to get them off too.
Yeah, I'll bet you are. Yeah, I'll get it.
You got it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I get it. Good timing too, because I was getting ready to leave.
Yeah, they had you in my board as my last stop of the day, and I'm
Is that right?
I'm not about to fight these all day.
Damn. They look tall too. I'm about to fixing, I'm gonna raise the truck up 3 inches, so that way, yeah. Oh, nice and wide too. I'm glad yep. Yeah, man, great. I mean, they came a long way from California, man. Shoes. Wow. That's awesome, man. Thank you.
And I got
Oh, yeah.
one more other pack.
I'm excited. Now I could get with it. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Well, this is it. Ridge Grapplers going into my Ford F-150. There she is. That'll be this week. So, oh yeah. Nice. Nice. Whew, man. Huh. I'm sure they'll grab. Yep. These are it right there. Going on those. I haven't lifted it yet. That's my next stop. Goodbye to the UPS guy. Have a good one. Thank you. And yeah, I'm excited. So, on to the next part of the video. Thank you for watching. We're slowly approaching the shop, tire shop, to have them install these grapplers. This has been a never-ending project. I mean, wow. I've slaved on this truck. I mean, actually slaved on this truck. I have my head. Yep. Yeah, they look busy. But here we are. Let me pause it now. Okay, here we are, man. This is Will again, and Dimitri's gonna start getting ready to go in the truck and put it inside and put those brand new tires and see how it comes out when he's done with it. It's great. Oh yeah, it's gonna be very different. And basically that's about it, man. There they are. Adios. And that's it. Wait for him to come out. It's done. It's a done deal. Nice tires. Oh yeah, they came out just right. Oh yeah, really good. Nice. It looks good. I like the way it looks. Great. Great job.